back to the channel. As you all read from today's title, I am turning my home into a cafe. I'm super excited, and today is the day before I'm turning my home into a cafe. So tomorrow I have invited my sisters, a couple of their friends. I did invite my friends, but both of them unfortunately couldn't make it, and they also live in Norway. I live in Sweden, so I totally understand. Anyways, I'm super excited for the others that are coming, and honestly, me and my siblings, you can say our friends are kind of like friends with each other. So their friends are my friends are their friends. Anyways, that's not the point of today's video. I'm turning my house into a cafe, which I'm super excited about because I did study baking and pastry arts, but unfortunately I haven't been able to find a job that matches my schedule, because as you all know, I do content creation and I wouldn't want to work somewhere where I cannot be able to create content like film for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Like currently I'm working in healthcare, which I absolutely love and I'm super satisfied with, but maybe one day, inshallah, we never know, there could be a bakery or a cafe opening up. But today we are turning my apartment into a cafe. Without any more talking, let me show you all the stuff I actually ordered from Temu to help me turn this cafe opening experience into something fun and more decorative. Over here I do have everything that I'm gonna be using to decorate, and some of this stuff is actually for Ramadan because Ramadan is around the corner. It's actually next week. That's crazy. Guys, Mike wants to be a part of the video, but yes, it is indeed good because he's gonna be my sous chef in the kitchen, right? What do you mean I think? Anyways, I'm opening up this package. I don't want to show our address. And Mike doesn't know what I ordered, so he's also curious. Okay guys, I figured the video was gonna be too long if I actually took out everything individually, but as you all see, I do have some vases that are gonna have these flowers in. I did get fake flowers and also this tablecloth, and I might wear the pajamas. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear tomorrow because it's actually Valentine's, but we're doing like a Galentines. That's why everything is like pink, and some flowers to hang around. I don't know, maybe there are two, I don't remember. We have some plates. They're really small. I thought they were gonna be bigger, but honestly I feel like they should work. And then some glasses, and that's pretty much it, and some tissue. That is so cute. So I cannot wait to put together all of this today or tomorrow. I'm not really sure. It's a couple of hours since you last saw me because I did go to the gym, I did eat, I did walk, I did everything, because honestly today has been a long day for me because I've been filming TikToks, I've been doing this, that. I woke up late, but finally time for the first recipe. We're gonna be doing cream cheese. We're gonna be doing cheesecake, and Mike is gonna help me start with the crackers, or I feel like I should do that. You should do it? Okay. Well, you're not saying anything, he's just like... Anyways, so we're gonna do cheesecake first, and I'm gonna tell Mike what to do, Ovi, and I'll also do what I'm supposed to do. Okay guys, so this is what Mike is going to be putting the crust in. I'll obviously tell him how to do it, but this is the pan we are baking in today. Alright guys, a little update. Cookie dough is done. Mike went to take a shower because we are getting tired. But I want to do as much as I can today so that tomorrow I don't have to stress. So I think baking the cookies off tonight will be really amazing than having to bake them tomorrow, because tomorrow I want to bake the chocolate muffins and the scones. So I want to do as much as I can today. And we're also making mini pizzas. Did I mention that? I don't think I did, but now you all know we're making mini pizzas. So literally after this, I think I'm gonna start making the salad for tomorrow so it can like marinate in the kitchen, because why not? It's so good. I actually got inspired by Lena Lifts. I do watch her videos and I do watch her healthy but yummy recipes. So Lena Lifts inspired this salad that I'm gonna be making. So without further more talking, let's do it. Alright, well, the cookies are done. They're a little bit burnt, but that's okay because my alarm wasn't really loud. I don't know why. And also my cheesecake is kind of separating. I think I overmixed the butter and I wish I put more jam, but that should be okay. The salad is good. Actually, me and Mike ate a little bit of salad right now and it was really good. So far we've done the cookies, the salad, the cheesecake. Now I'm gonna put together the chicken. I think I'm gonna fry it so that I can make the chocolate muffins today as well. I really want to do as much as I can today, so tomorrow I don't have to stress as much. When I woke up, I remembered I had scones to make. Oh, I didn't remember I actually had that on the menu, so I didn't waste any time and started putting everything together. Though I kind of messed up because the scone is supposed to be thick, but I rolled it out like a cookie, and by the time I thought about that, the first ones were already in the oven, so it was pretty much messed up. So instead of it being a scone, it kind of turned out like a cracker cookie that was salty, which was honestly not that bad, but I really wanted a scone. Hi guys, good morning. Today is the next day. I am so tired, and as you all see, I have been doing the scones that already started, and some of them are in the freezer, some of them are on the counter because I don't have space. So in the meantime, I helped Mike set up the table because I wanted to be there when he was doing it and know exactly how I want it. So he did help me with that, and I also kind of set up a little bit. Guys, I was all over the place. You also, so far that's how it's looking. And poor Mike is on the balloon duty. You can just do a few. We don't need a lot. All right. And pink ones? Yeah, more pink and white, I think. Thank you, babe. I'm going to put in the scones to bake, and I already did the pizza dough. Let me show you all, but I didn't film that because I was stressed. So hi guys, so a little bit of outfit change. Literally people already started to come and I wasn't done, and I wasn't about to look like I was looking before, so I changed my outfit, and I have a huge pimple that's bothering me. I don't know if I should like pop it or not. But my pizza dough is almost ready, and the scones kind of got burnt a little bit because I was getting ready in the bathroom, brushing my teeth and washing my face, and there is already paper here. So I'm stressed, and the guests did offer to help out, so yeah. Hi guys, here is...
You don't know my name?
No, because I want you to introduce yourself. Okay, I'll introduce you. Here is Selma, and here is Dina. They're already here, mashallah, but I am not ready because I am so disorganized. I'm not disorganized, but I don't know, I sleep on time, and they're gonna help me put together the rest of the decor. They already put up the balloons, and they're gonna help me fix the glasses for the mocktails. Are they cocktail or the mocktail? No, they alcohol. I don't know, guys, whatever. But I wanted to show you all. Look at this cute plate. And
we're gonna do this for popcorn, but I don't know how to do it. So
yeah, so I'm gonna show her. And then I gotta go take care of the scones before they burn again and start preparing the pizza. That's all I have left. I'm getting ready to do my makeup, but I can't believe I'm late. It's so annoying. Anyways, you may wonder where my siblings are. They were very busy yesterday and they missed the last train, so they are coming late as well. Yeah. I got these beautiful roses. They're so cute. And I also got some chocolate, which is so cute. I'm super thankful. Thank you guys. And also Mike did bring the menu. Why is it so bright? This is the menu for today. I was gonna do very mini pizzas, but I honestly don't have time, so I'm just gonna do medium-sized pizzas, and they're all gonna be chicken. So that's what I am on. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog anymore because I feel like I'm wasting time, so I'll vlog once everything is done, and I'll just show you all how everything is looking. Guys, so I did my makeup, and I did my makeup in between of me baking pizzas, and my siblings are here too, and another friend Rahan is doing her makeup. Guys, let's go finish up the pizzas, and then I'm gonna take people's orders for their mocktails. I really hope it's mocktail. Anyways, let's go set up the kitchen so people can come order their drinks, because everything else is set up, and I need to make popcorn, which I forgot, so I think I should start with that first. Alright guys, so here is everything set up. We have some pizza over here, and we have some chickpea salad, and then some muffins, scones that are not exactly how I wanted them to, but it is what it is. Some cookies, some chips, a cheesecake, and some glasses that we're gonna fill with drinks that I'm gonna make, and some popcorn, and that's basically how everything looks. Okay guys, I'm gonna make the drinks while everybody is partying.
Hi guys, Salma has been doing such a good job, honestly. Oh, this is so good.
Thank you. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try my mocktail. Bismillah. Guys, it's so good. Okay guys, gonna try the pizza. Everybody's eating now, and the sun is going down.
Eating so good. 10 out of 10 or 11 out of 10.
Actually really good. That's gonna done. Everything has been so good. Now I'm gonna try the salad and then I'll try the pastries. The pizza is all gone. I'm happy. That makes me happy.
I'm not happy though. I didn't eat. I was doing my TikTok video.
Yeah, she only ate a little bit and it was gone. She was gone for like 5 minutes.
I can't lie. Hey,
Do you want us to wait
11
until you're
hours.
done with your TikTok or something? No, you could have sat down and ate.
Bismillah.
You guys, this was yum. Even the salad was yum.
Now let's try my muffin.
Insane oak.
Guys, the muffin was 10 out of 10. Everybody likes everything, so. The next up is cookie. Everything is taking me time to eat because we're talking at the same time. Look at that. Husna said she likes the cookies. Okay guys, gonna try the cheesecake. Alright guys, here is my strawberry jam cheesecake. Let's give it a try. It wasn't really a swallow, so and I hope it tastes good. Bismillah. My god, that is so good. Wow.